So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down until you find WLAN autoconfig. It's near to the bottom. So you want to double click on WLAN autoconfig. And now this will open up. You want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now you just want to right click on it and then click on restart. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, if you have a proxy set up, then you just want to disable it. And then once you do that, for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. And it's now going to restart your computer. So now once your computer restarts, then the problem should be fixed. You could also restart it yourself if you want to.